What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm just gonna do a quick little install and show you guys like a before and after. So every little part I get, I'm really just gonna do a video right on that part and whatever I'm gonna do. And I'm also gonna clean the Lexus today because outside is really dirty. I literally drive it everywhere. I got the car with 10,000 miles and it's already at like almost 15,000, so I be everywhere. So today I got window visors and it came already 3M, so I'm gonna throw those on and then clean the car. I don't know how it's gonna look, but hopefully it looks cute. If not, I'm gonna rip them off. I got them off eBay and I had ordered a set like last week and they sent me ones for like the older years. I think it was for like 2012 or something, so it wasn't the same body and it didn't fit, so I wasted money on that because when I order something, if I take my L, I take my L completely and I just don't return it. So hopefully these are the right ones. It look like they're the right ones, but I'm going to be installing those today and it's really easy. But I don't know, maybe I think I'm gonna clean the car first and then put those on instead of putting them on and then wetting the car. So I think I'm gonna clean the car first and then throw those on, so let's go. I decided to clean the car first, so I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna show you guys how dirty it is so you can see the difference. Like, ew, all right here too. So. To be honest, I'm recording literally on my GoPro and on my phone, like, but I got me a little new spongy. I think it was like a few dollars, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna just be using this to clean this motherfucker.